Now this is the fourth part of video related to models, and in this part I am going to discuss about the structures, different structures of models. As per the earlier class, everybody knows that there are many structures related to the tense and related to other things. So here all these structures are really the model structures. How the sentences can be framed, just you see here. So this one is the affirmative structure, and in affirmative structures at first you have to write subject, then after modals, then after V1, then after object. Here modals denoting all the 13 modals: shall, will, can, could, may, might, would, should, must, everything. Because the sentence can be created by implementing any model in this place of models. Like here, example, she can speak English. Another example, she should speak English. Another example, she ought to love parents. Yes, all models. The verb may change, but the models will be used as per the system of main verb, as per the need of main verb. So here is the negative. The structure of negative is subject plus modals plus not plus V1 plus object plus full stop, and the sentence will be she cannot speak English. Then after interrogative, the structure of interrogative models. At first we have to write modals, then after subject, then after V1, then after object, then question mark, and the answer here, can she speak English, question mark. Then after negative interrogative, when this negative sentence is changed into interrogative, then the sentence will be negative interrogative, and the structure of negative interrogative is modals plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus question mark, and the sentence will be can she not speak English. This one is WH interrogative, means interrogative starts with WH family, means who, which, what, when, where, etc. So here is the structure of WH interrogative: WH plus modals plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark, and the sentence will be, if the affirmative sentence, she can speak English, when this sentence will be transferred according to this model, then the sentence will be who can speak English. Applying which language can she speak? Applying what can she speak? Applying when can she speak English? Implementing where can she speak English? Implementing how can she speak English? Implementing why can she speak English? Then after there will be the term of WH negative interrogative, means when not is used with WH interrogative, the sentence will be framed as WH negative interrogative, and the structure of WH negative interrogative is WH plus modals plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So the sentence will be who cannot speak English. The next sentence, by implementing which language can she not speak? By implementing what can she not speak? By implementing when can she not speak English? By implementing where can she not speak English? By implementing how can she not speak English? And by implementing why can she not speak English? So all these structures are the structures of active voice. Means all these structures, about 18 structures are given here, and all these are the active voice. And when, as per the earlier, if you would like to change this one into passive, it will have the passive structures too. So in the next part of the video, I will give the passive structures of models, that how these models will be used in passive structures. This one will be displayed in the next part of the video.